So I've seen people do Rubik's Cubes before, but not on fire. Like, what the hell? The geezer must have issues, surely. Just why though? Right, yeah, the Rubik's Cube is boring, but really? Setting yourself on fire to do it? He's right, he's bloody nuts, crazy. Right. A Rubik's Cube while on fire. Just, really? I've got to say that is the craziest way I've ever seen a Rubik's Cube being completed. But fair play, he done it. It is bloody madness, that is.